What is going on, you guys? We have been listing like crazy. If you guys are wondering, that's my bike rack in the background. It's for my old car, but I finally actually listed it on, I'm gonna actually, I haven't listed it. I just took pictures for it, and I'm gonna go ahead and list it on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace. It costs like $100, but I'm gonna try to get like $50 for it because it doesn't fit my new car. And by new car, it's a car that I've had for over a year now, but I just never got rid of the bike rack because it was in my garage. If you guys are new here and have no idea what I am talking about, I sell on eBay, Mercari, Amazon FBA, and recently Whatnot. I'll go to thrift stores, garage sales, anywhere I can buy items for really cheap, and I'll go ahead and flip it online for a profit. We are currently trying to make $8,000 in order to pay off my student loans, and this is the current total that we're at so far. I'll go ahead and put it on the screen. And in today's video, we have 15 sales going out today. So hopefully that can go ahead and put a lot of money into the fund so I can go ahead and reinvest that money back into the business. So first up, we have some video game sales from the lot that I just picked up for $50. I have around 50 cents into each one of these games. First up, we sold Captain Toad Treasure Tracker for $7.50 plus shipping on top. I just realized that I made a mistake. This Captain Toad game actually sold for $11 plus shipping. And then this is the game that sold for $7.50. Super Mario 3D World. And then we sold Kung Fu Panda on the Wii U for $13 plus shipping on top. And then we sold Nintendo Land for $6.50 plus shipping on top. After that, we sold Half-Life 2, the Orange Box, Episode 2, Team Fortress 2 Portal. That is a long title, but I sold this for $17 plus shipping on top. Just $1 off the original pre-owned asking price, which is kind of funny. And then after that, we sold Batman. Let's go ahead and find it. We sold Batman Arkham Origins for $18 plus shipping on top. And then we sold 3 games in a bundle. They're all Lego, and they sold for $13 plus shipping on top. This is why I love video games. They just sell super duper fast. I literally just listed these, and a majority of them are already selling. After that, we have Mario Kart 8 that sold for $10 plus shipping on top. And then the best video game sale that paid for the whole entire box of games is Zelda Windbreaker, and this sold for $47 plus shipping on top. So that's it for the video games. And then we have a couple items that we picked up at the bins recently, as well as a few other items that I have listed already that have been listed for a while. So I just put everything that I recently listed away, and I just want to show you guys something. Here how satisfying this sound is. Ready? Tell me that's not satisfying. Anyways, let's add this to the IKEA bag, and let's grab some more sales. So next up, we sold these Levi's jeans, 505C. I picked these up at the bins probably for around like $2. And they sold for $35 plus shipping on top. I listed them for $40 and I accepted an offer for $30. The reason why I love making these videos for you guys is because I can show you that I can make money. I'm a college student. I only dedicate 5 hours a week. If I can make money in this business, so can you. Because trust me, I am not that great of a reseller. Yes, I know that I've learned a lot along the way, but I am nowhere near the best. But what I can say is when I do dedicate time into doing all of it, into listing, into shipping and everything, I see a return right away as long as I pick up items that are actually going to sell fast, which obviously comes with experience. So if you watch me, you watch other YouTubers, you can learn a lot, but I just want to share that with you guys. The reason why I resell, and the reason why I think that you guys should start reselling as well. Anyways, let's get back into the sales. So next up, we have 3 items that I recently just picked up at the Goodwill bins. We sold Need for Speed Porsche Unleashed for $9 plus shipping on top. And then we sold this Belkin Gigabit Ethernet adapter, which I listed as like damaged box, but it's still brand new if you guys look at the seal. It sold for $11.50 plus shipping on top. And then we sold this Nike crossover bag, like fanny kind of pack bag. Honestly, I'll just put it on. How do I look, guys? Does it look good? Anyways, it doesn't matter how I look. I sold this for $22 plus shipping on top. I probably don't even have 50 cents into this. I picked it up at the Goodwill bins, and this is actually like a rare crossover bag. At least it was rare on eBay, so I put it up as being rare. I listed it for $25 and I ended up taking an offer of $22 plus shipping. I mean, I'd probably never wear something like this. I like having my like wallet. Looks nice, casual, you know, whatever, classic. Can't go wrong with having a regular wallet. I mean, if you like it, you do you, but it's just not what I'm into. And then I think we have one more item that's sold, and it's this Aaron Rodgers jersey. So let me go ahead and find it in this bin. Packers Youth Large number 12 Aaron Rodgers jersey, brand new with tags. So I picked this up at a garage sale along with 7 or 8 other jerseys for just $3. Most of them were new with tags. I think 6 out of 8 of them were brand new with tags. And this sold for $30 plus shipping on top, and I only have $3 into this. These are some of my favorite items to find. Brand new with tags items, sports items, video games. I just love selling stuff like that. This is why I love the reselling side hustle, because you could literally sell anything. You could literally sell coins or whatever you're into. You can find whatever niche and probably end up finding profitable items. I don't know how often you could find those items, but it's probably still possible. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys some of the items that aren't part of the Resell My Way to 8K series, because these are items that I've had listed for way longer than before I started this series. So I just want to go ahead and share it with you guys. So I sold this polo shirt for $35 plus shipping on top. I paid $3 for it at a local thrift store. Funny enough, I had this listed in the summer and I literally brought it all the way down to $15 and I got mad. I honestly got a little annoyed after the summer ended that it didn't sell. So I was like, screw it. Let me put it up. Let me put the price up. I put it to $35 and it just sold. I guess because it's the holiday time that people want stuff. 35 bucks. This hat, I got it at the Goodwill bins, sold it for 10 bucks. And then we sold this Nintendo DS set for $50 plus shipping on top. I think I paid like $10 to $20 for it at a garage sale with a few games. So I actually gave it to my sister. She played it for a little bit and then I sold it and made some profit on it. That was actually a while ago, like maybe a year ago. And then Splish Splash Sesame Street, picked this up at the bins for a quarter, sold it for 20 bucks plus shipping. El Condor, same thing from the bins for a quarter, sold it for 5 bucks. These two action figures I have $3 into from a local liquidation store in my town, and they sold for, I think, $12 on the one and $16 for the other. And yeah, those are just some sales that I want to share real quick with you guys, but not part of the series, but still good to know, because the more you guys know about different items that sell, the more you guys can make on eBay. And now I want to share with you guys a clip of something that I found the other day. I was with my girlfriend for her birthday, so I didn't plan on reselling, but we were in the mall and I found something to actually resell on eBay. And that's one of my favorite things. I like going to places such as the mall sometimes and finding items to resell that most people would never expect that you could find money at. So let's jump into the clip. So when we were inside shopping at Old Navy and we were actually going up to pay at the counter, I found a bunch of these perfumes from the brand called Kindred Goods for $1.47 a piece. And it's all dependent on the scent, but I actually already sold 5 of these. I sold 3 on Mercari for $130 free shipping and 2 on eBay for $70 plus shipping. And that is where this video is going to end. I have to go ahead and package up all of these items. So let's catch you guys in the next one.